Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today I'm going to tell you what I think about English laundry. So, English Laundry is a really special brand. I'm not going to talk much about that brand. It seems like what they do is fragrance that are made to be mass appealing. I see them often do fragrance that are similar to other fragrance in a way or another, or fragrance that are really specific on one note. They seem to do some stuff that are really simple, and personally I think what they do smell extremely synthetic and uninspired. I don't think it's such a good brand. I think they have the reason to be there. They have their market and they serve that market well. Who would see wearing this fragrance are maybe people that don't really know much about fragrance and that want something cheap, or maybe people that know about fragrance a little bit. They know it's important, they want to have something nice, they don't necessarily have the budget, so they will go toward that brand. But to me, what they do is not really good quality. And if we think about even like the type of fragrance they do, it seems to me like it doesn't work. They make cheap fragrance that smells synthetic, that smells like the kind of fragrance that will be there for young people, for like teenagers or for young adult, but their all branding is about being classy and elevated. You know, English laundry is like clothes. The best example is Oxford blue, and Oxford is a material. Usually are blue shirt like this. This is linen, but usually they are like kind of blue shirt that are casual, but still it's a casual that is pretty much like elegant for nowadays standard. For people that wear jeans and t-shirt, wearing an Oxford shirt is still elegant, even though if it's something casual. And the fragrance they put for Oxford blue is extremely ultra casual. It's something that even wearing an Oxford blue shirt or a blue Oxford shirt will be too formal for that type of fragrance. It's really a jeans and t-shirt kind of fragrance. And the thing is, the whole type of fragrance they do are not stuff that I would see dressing sharp or casual. So I don't know where they're going with their brand. It seems like they want to look great, but they do cheap stuff. I'm not a big fan of their clothes. They're not a brand that I follow a lot. I've seen like a couple of shirts in the stores. It seems like they were good. I don't know if they were like super good quality. It's been a long time. Still, I think that what they do is weird, doesn't fit well. I don't think any fragrance much on what they do would be good in any fragrance collection unless by people that want to get something cheap. Again, I don't think it's really bad or it's something that no one should get, these fragrance. Just think that if you know a little bit about fragrance, most of their fragrance are something that probably won't be interesting. Probably gonna find one or two fragrance in the bunch that is interesting to you, but most of it, it seems to me that it's uninspired, it's low quality, but it's low price also. So there's that at least. So personally, I don't really like them. Maybe eventually I would go more into studying their fragrance, do some evaluation, some review of those fragrance. But it's not a brand that seems really good quality and interesting. You know, like maybe one or two could be interesting to review, but most of it, it's not really good. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, we'll like and share. If you have a different opinion than me on English laundry, tell me what you think about them. So, thanks for watching, and see you soon.